Alright, got everything marked out here as far as the bolt holes. We're going to go ahead and put 4 in. So I went ahead and did an inch in, and then I did 11, 22, and then 33. Ends up being about 10.5 between each one. Got our neighbor Dar to paint these up. He laid out some really slick paint here, so got the blue on. Let's get them bolted on. Well, I've got them all bolted on, and they are just going to do a killer job keeping all the dirt and debris out of the engine bay. Those cut wheel wells just made a mess out of everything. And they look awesome, too. Well, like I said, shout out to GMSS FAB taking care of that and getting these sent over. They look killer.